How to create a free EDU email address. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, search 10minutemail.net in any of your browser. You'll find a mail for 10 minutes. Now what you need to do is scroll down and you'll find the mail. And open a new tab and search Coastline Community College and click on it. After that, you'll find their website. Click on Apply Now at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Start Application. After you've done that, go to the Mail section and copy to Clipboard, which is your new mail. After that, go to the application and paste the mail and press on Email My Security Code. After that, go back to the page, which is the mail. Scroll down and you'll find Subject Account Security Code. Click on it. Then you'll find the code. Copy the code and then go back to the application form, paste the code and press on Verify Email. After you have done that, it will verify your email. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in here and add everything, your contact information and other things that are asked. After you've done that, your account will be created and then you'll be able to use this account to use student discount. This is how to create a free EDU email address. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.